So let's get started with Codery. Here we are getting the help for the Codery bot, which says that you can type in the Codery bot and type the keyword contests, or yeah, you can type help to see what all commands are available for Codery. We are typing Codery contests now. So let's see what this gives us. Here are the top coding contests and hackathons. We have the name, the time left, the date, and the links to these code chefs, hackathons on Hacker Earth, HackerRank contests, and stuff. Now we shall type Codery top contest, which gives us the top contest for today. This takes data from all the sites like CodeChef, HackerRank, HackerEarth, and then gives you the top contest. Basically, the contest which is going to end soon, and also its links and dates. Top 3 contests, you can write top and then the number and the contest. Then it will give you that number of contests and the links as well. Let's check out with top 2 contests. As you can see, the latest 2 contests have been displayed: Hacker Earth Machine Learning Challenge and NetApp Women's Innovation. Now let's check out the man page of a Linux command, execvp. Type Codery man execvp. Yeah, this gives the whole manual page for exe CVP, and its return value, errors, versions, attributes, bugs, anything you need to know about that function. Let's check out for execc as well, the man page. Yeah, so as you can see, there's the Linux programmer's manual, return values, notes, bugs, anything you need to know about that function. Now let's check out the latest news. Type Codery news and the keyword. Like here I've entered AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. So here are some articles and the links to them, which are the latest news. You can click on them to go to that news article and read it. Here we check out the latest news on coronavirus. We type in Codery news corona, and there are 4 articles with links to those news. Next, we shall lighten up the mood by some jokes. But then these jokes are mainly programmer jokes. They are not random jokes, they are only programmer jokes, so that the mood is still lightened, but then we don't divert away from the topic. Yeah, so we just saw some jokes. Now let's check out some search terms. Like Coterie lets you search any keyword by typing in Coterie search and the keyword, and then it will give you the meaning of that word. Here we search Coterie computer. Yeah, it gives the output. Finally, we'll be checking the Coterie calculator, which can perform any kind of calculations you want to perform on the Zulip chat. Yeah, so you don't even need to access any other kind of software. You directly can perform calculations from the chat through Coterie. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. As you can see, the answers have come.